Well, hello. Hi everyone. I'll just share the link with you all first and then I'll join you again. I think 3 people have already joined me. Hi Rashmita, hi Pramila. Just give me a moment. I'll just share the video and I'll be there with you so that everyone is notified. You also guys can please share the video link. Okay. Well, hello. How are you all? And this time I'm here for a very quick small mini release from DCAM. Actually, I was not intended to do a release this month, but then somehow things happened and here I am. It is a small release and I really hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy that. Hi Prasanna. So, as usual, my mojo is not back. Nowhere it is to be found. So, Shalini Jaiswal, again, thanks a lot, Shalini. You are such a darling, and she's here for my rescue again, once again, and she'll be joining you all at 5 o'clock this evening only to showcase her course using my dies, of course, and her beautiful papers. She's come out with really superb papers. Those are foil printed papers, very beautiful papers. You must go ahead and see the course and join her also. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started with the release. It's a small release, only 7 dies are there in this release. So let's get started. First and foremost, continuing the success of our anemone blooms, here is another die which is magnolia blooms, and look at its glory. Look how pretty it is. And it comes with a shadow as well. I have cut it along with the die. If you remove the die from the center, you'll get the whole shadow, okay? So this is it. Look at this. And again, I have cut out this. This is exactly same die. इसको मैंने कटिंग साइड ऊपर रख के काटा, इसको मैंने कटिंग साइड नीचे की तरफ रख के काटा. एंड इफ यू डू नॉट यूज अ शिम, you will get only this part. Then do it like this. It will be very easy for you to layer. And here is the layering process. Look at this. Look how pretty it looks. And look at all the detailing. Can you see all the detailing inside the flower? That's the beauty of this die, and that you get only in DCAM dies. No other person can do this. Is doing this rather. I should not say can do this. Is doing this. Okay? In these intricate dies. Then second of the line is again filler leaf dies. These are such versatile dies now. I can't tell you. These are saviors for you if you are using what do you call that? Even if you are using your critter sheets or you are using any of the floral dies, these dies will be your saviors. Look at these. It is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dies. It is a set of 7 dies, and these filler dies can never go wrong. You can never go wrong with these fillers. These jitna zyada you will use the fillers na, utna your card or your project or your envelope will look pretty. So we need ample of them. Last time I had come up with filler dies 1, and this is the second part. Very reasonable, very economical, and very versatile. These you cannot go wrong with these dies. And ये जितना भी हो 4 बार 5 बार चलाओ, काट के अपने पास रखो एक पैक में. You will always need them with everything, even with these dies. This is a complete die in itself, but थोड़ा सा पीछे से foliage add करोगे, it will only enhance the beauty. Look at this. ये सिर्फ आपको एनहांस करेगा और कुछ नहीं करेगा. सी, पीछे से थोड़ा सा ग्रीनरी आता हुआ. इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी प्रिटी, इट लुक्स वेरी वर्सेटाइल. एंड हर एक डाई का ब्यूटी ये और ज्यादा इनहांस करता है. दीज डाइज आर टू डाई फॉर, दीज आर वेरी इंट्रिकेट एंड द डिटेलिंग इनसाइड इज मार्वलस. लुक एट दिस डाई, इफ यू कैन सी. इतनी पतली लीव्स है, उसके अंदर भी मैंने वेन्स दी हैं. लुक एट दिस, इफ यू कैन सी. कैन यू सी दैट? I hope the camera is doing justice to this. So detailing is excellent. Very beautiful dies once again. And now these are the only two dies which are flowers and leaves this time. And then this is the slimline loopy die with the total 8 dies along with Just For You. This is the classic die in the exact shape of our envelope, exact size of our envelope now. Earlier it was बहुत सारी companies की आती है die. It is a basic versatile die. Look at this. But the USP of my dies is I make them exactly according to the envelope die size and my panel size. So look at this. सीधा सीधा envelope पे रखो और एक ऊपर से पेपर लगाओ and done. This is a classic die. इसके लिए कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just a moment, let me just set it. अभी मेरे हाथ में कोई envelope या कुछ है नहीं ना, तो वो बैठ नहीं रहा है. So, and इसी के साथ you get a Just For You die which cuts in between the paper and just on top. Both ways. You can cut it as you want. Okay, look at this. How pretty is this? So this is a classic die once again. Very beautiful. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Okay. Okay, so the next die. Next is a Oriental lace flap die. Last time we came up with Oriental lace die. This time we have come up with Oriental lace flap die. So this is the die. It comes with the cover. You can remove this. You can keep it like this, the way you want. If you remove this, you will get only cut in. You will get a cut inside the paper. The paper will not cut out as a rectangle. If you use it with this shadow, then it will come out like this. Look how pretty is the die. Let me just grab one envelope. I need something to showcase it to you. Just a moment. Okay, yeah. Got it here. Look at this. See how pretty is this. And one more thing you can do with this die. You can use it like this. I'll show you in another color. If it is not visible, look at this, how elegant and pretty this die is. This is such a beautiful die. And what you can do with this die is you can just cut it out. I don't have my scissors here. Let me use my daughter's. And you get the flaps out of this die. Look at this. You can use it like this as well. See how pretty it looks. Like this. This is one more way of using this die. The other way is just use it like this. See how pretty it looks. And let me grab my magnolia if I can find it. Yeah. See? This is the beauty of this die. You can use it like the whole thing together, like so. Okay? Or you can use it separately the flaps and all. See, this is another way how pretty it looks. Okay, and you can add these here in the sides also. इसको इस तरह से भी 4 में करके इसको, it look very pretty. So let your creative juices flow after this. It will look amazing. So now let's go ahead on our labels. There are 2 more labels this time. One is the slimline stitched labels 7. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 dies in this. 11 dies, total 11 dies in this, and I'll show you the cutout of these dies. See how pretty these are. You can use them as a whole, like as a shadow, or you can use it as frames as well. They will look very pretty. See how pretty these looks. Very, very versatile dies. And I'll show you the samples in the end, so stay with me till the end. Okay, so these are the dies, and if you remember, I had shown you earlier a box I made out of this. Look at this. This is using the box die, builder box die. I had made a box with this. आप इसको ऊंचा बनाना चाहो ऊंचा बनाओ, गड्डी बॉक्स के साइज का बनाना चाहो उतना बनाओ. It will look very pretty, very elegant. This is the box I have made out of this die. See, इसके अंदर shim डाल दिया and it is all sturdy. So this is another one. Let me just keep it aside. And now is the slimline stitched label 6 with I love you die. This is the slimline stitched label 6 with I love you dies. I'll show you the die. See, these are the dies. This is the shape of the die. You can cut it all together. You should, you want to leave it, you can leave it. See how pretty it looks. And there is a I love you also. I'm just pushing out the die cuts. I had not cleaned the die cut. See, isn't it pretty? Okay, so this is the I love you die along with the labels, label 6. And my favorite die, last but not the least, is this beautiful texture background die. Look at this die. Look at the intricacy of this die. See how pretty is this. And I'll show you the die cut as well. Look at this. It is such a beautiful die and it is so sharp. It really cuts like butter. It is really very pretty. The design of this die is to die for. See it in golden. How beautiful this looks. Okay, so, and together as well, if you mix, see how such a beautiful shimmer it is giving. Very pretty die. Okay, so this is the texture background die. Last die for this this release. Only 7 dies I have come up with. I did not want to hold you with these dies, so I'll just repeat the 7 dies and then I'll show you the samples created by Shalini Jaiswal. I did not make a single piece this time. Okay, I made one. I'll show it to you. See, I made this last time. I have used the background, the texture background. Only one piece I had used earlier in last release. This time I did not get time only. Earlier I was unwell and then I had a wedding in the house and then my mojo. No excuses. Actually, the main reason is my mojo, which is not coming back. I don't know what is wrong with me. So this is the die. Okay. I have used in this, if you can see. So this is the texture background die. This is slimline stitched label 6. This is slimline stitched label 7. Then we have slimline loopy scallop die. Then we have oriental flap die. Okay, and 2 more dies are there. We have the magnolia blooms die, and we have our ever versatile filler leaves 2. So total in all 7 dies. The MRP of these 7 dies is 8,500 rupees, and there is a combo available on the website till 26th of December. The combo is available and the discount coupon is available. The discount code is DCAM10. December 10. DEC 2023. DEC 2023 is the coupon code. I will just post the picture also on page and my own page, Mansi Gupta Sharma, and on DCAM page. I'll post the banner right now. So the code is DEC December, DEC 2023. That is the code. Minimum shopping you have to do is 2,500 rupees only. 2,500 rupees ke upar you will get a 10% discount. Okay, it is valid only till 26th of December. No more of this. Okay, so place your orders ASAP, and now is the time for me to showcase the envelopes which Shalini has very creatively made. And I am stunned to see her creativity. यार Shalini, क्या magic है तुम्हारे हाथों में? And she has used so many of my DCAM earlier dies as well, to show you guys how versatile our dies are. And you know, previous releases, this releases, you can mix and match and create. Because my dies, I am personally focusing a lot, or I can say only on envelopes as of now. Because इंडिया में वी डू नॉट गिव कार्ड्स टू, वी हार्डली गिव कार्ड्स. यार कोई आजकल की जनरेशन तो मेरे को तो दिखता ही नहीं है, वो लोग कार्ड के एनवेलप क्या कुछ भी देते हैं किसी को. हम लोगों की जनरेशन में वी आर इनटू एनवेलप्स. हमारा हर चीज में शगुन दिया जाता है, हमें एनवेलप हर चीज पे चाहिए होता है. तो मुझे तो इंडियन मार्केट के लिए एनवेलप से बेटर कुछ नहीं लगता. कार्ड वगैरह ठीक है, एक तो हम लोग बना लेते हैं फॉर आवर टू फ्लो, लेट आवर क्रिएटिव जूसेस फ्लो इन, बट अल्टीमेटली चलता तो एनवेलप ही है. हर चीज पे चाहिए एनवेलप ही होता है. सो मैं अपनी चुप करके अब मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. लुक एट दिस, लुक एट द यूज ऑफ द डाई. उसने नया पुराना सब यूज किया. शी इज यूज द श्री गणेशाय नमः डाई, एंड देन शी इज यूज दिस टेक्सचर बैकग्राउंड. देन शी इज यूज द मोस्ट वर्सेटाइल ऑफ दीज स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल डाइज. देन शी इज यूज दीज स्टिच्ड लेबल्स. आई थिंक दिस इज 6. ये 6 है या 7 है, एक मिनट मैं बताती हूँ आपको. 6 है ये. स्टिच लेबल 6 with the I love you die. And her papers, they are so pretty. Look at the shine of the papers. Yeah, Shalini, I am stunned with these papers. Second, look at this. Magnolias, how beautifully she has used these magnolias. And ये congrats या फिर कोई सा भी sentiment आप यहाँ पे लगा सकते हो. You can use your I love you die as well. मतलब इसमें तो you can use any sentiment. There's so many sentiments available in DCAM store. You can just go ahead and purchase any. By the way, this congrats sentiment as of now is sold out. We will stock it in a month or so, but for now it is sold out. But most of you must be having that. Okay. Then look at this. सिंपल वो हमारा बेसिक डाई लगाया है. साथ में she's used DCAM का ही डाई है, डेकोरेटिव एक्सेंट 8. she's used that, and उसके अंदर सर्कल लगाया है DCAM का डबल स्टिच सर्कल डाई. एंड देन दिस इज द क्या कह रहे थे इस डाई को, मेरे को नाम ही नहीं याद आ रहा है इसका. कलश डाई, कलश डाई. ओके, लुक एट दिस. दिस इज डोली सजा के रखना डाई अलॉन्ग विद द लेबल्स डाई. एंड बैकग्राउंड में टेक्सचर डाई दिया है, एंड हर ब्यूटिफुल पेपर्स. सच एन एलिगेंट एनवेलप अगेन. Look at this. The oriental flaps along with congrats and all. Very beautifully, Shalini, you've used the die. And these are my favorites. Look at this. How beautifully she's used the dies. How elegant. So many dies she has used. सारा DCAM dies है इसमें, by the way. लुक एट दिस. अब मैं ज्यादा नहीं दिखाऊंगी क्लियरली बिकॉज शालिनी हैज टू अनाउंस द कोर्स. ये सारे डीकैम डाइज यूज किए हैं. ये भी डीकैम डाई है, ये भी डीकैम डाई है. दिस इज द घोड़ी बनना डाई बाय डीकैम. अगेन सब डीकैम डाइज हैं ये. सी हाउ प्रिटी आर दीज. एंड ये लेबल्स तो दीज आर कलेक्टेबल्स. ऑनेस्टली मेरे को नहीं पता मैं कितने टाइम तक लेबल्स और लाऊंगी. अब मेरे ख्याल से आई एम गोना give a break to labels. So these are the collectibles. You must collect all the labels. Okay. So once again, and Shalini, I'm loving these papers. Yeah, these are so pretty. And of course my dies are definitely. And this is a goodie box she's made. Can you hear the sound? How sturdy it is. Shalini, I'm in awe of your creativity. बॉम्बे बुला लो मुझे. थोड़ा सा अपना हाथ फेर दो, मेरी शायद मोजो मेरा वापस आ जाए. ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल डाइज, ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल एनवेलप्स. एंड लव यू शालिनी फॉर सच अमेजिंग क्रिएटिविटी. आज बाकी ज्यादा मैंने तो मेरे पास तो शालिनी ने आधे क्या मतलब 1/4 भी एनवेलप्स नहीं भेजे. शी इज मेड 5, 5, 6, 6 एनवेलप्स ऑफ ईच टाइप्स एंड color combinations are to die for. Unki creativity, she does not need any introduction. You all are very well aware of that. So my dies, her creativity, best combo I think. So go ahead, join her course. She will be live at 5 o'clock only. 4:21 already हो गया है. आधे घंटे बाद वो भी live होगी. And please, please, please do join her course. She is amazing. Okay. And the amount of knowledge you gain out of her course, it is unbelievable. Okay. So go ahead, buy the dies, and discount code is valid only till 26th. Tomorrow I am going out of station for 3 days. So after that shipping will start. But first come first serve basis पे. और शालिनी को प्लीज ज्वाइन करो 5 बजे लाइव वीडियो के लिए. Thank you so much. Thank you all for joining in. I hope you liked this video and I hope you like the release for sure. And see you then. Bye bye.